In Ornet, we have already learned how do we make a wholesale purchase entry. Now let's learn how do we make a wholesale sale. Go to the Transactions menu, Wholesale Entry, Entry, and click on the Add button. Now simply press Enter and select the customer to which you are selling, say Hindustan Arts, and set the due date for payment, say 30th December 2015. Now select Sales 22 carat studded ornaments of 230 grams having money moti of 10 grams. Press OK and Ornet automatically calculates the net weight according to its studded details. Press Enter, input the purity, input the wastage at which you are selling, say 5%, and Ornet automatically calculates the total purity. Now simply press Enter and Ornet calculates the net receivable weight. Input the number of pieces of sale, input the labor details if you are charging him labor as well, and press Enter and simply save the transaction. You may also input any narration regarding this particular entry over here, say Rajwari collection. As soon as you press Enter, Ornet shows you the balance of gold receivable from Hindustan Arts. Now, if you are receiving metal from Hindustan Arts, then you may input it from here. But if you are receiving any other mode of payment, then you may input it over here. Say you are receiving some cash, then select Cash Receipt. Press Enter, insert the amount, say 1 lakh rupees. Select the book name and simply save the transaction. As soon as you save the entry, Ornet shows you that Hindustan Hearts has 213.400 grams of gold receivable and 1 lakh rupees have already been paid by them. You may also use the rate fixing option available over here in future if required. Now simply save the transaction. If you are supposed to provide a printout to Hindustan Arts, click on the print button, click on the view button, and this is the exact preview of the voucher to be given to your artisan or supplier. Now this is how you make a wholesale sale entry in Ornet.